Guess who?
The story you're about to see is a big, fat lie. No names have been changed to protect anybody. It was Tuesday the 8th, 11:01 p.m. We're working out a spy detail. My name's Thursday. 11:03, the call came in. I'll get it, Thursday. I'll get it, Al. I'll get it, Thursday. I've got it, Al.
Hello. Is this Monday?
No, this is Thursday, spy detail. It was a 4:98 PS. A top-secret formula had been stolen from the research lab. We had a job to do. We ran all suspects' names through R&I and came up with the bat. Struck again. We moved fast.
Had a rough night, boy.
Come on, time to get up. Dig that laugh, boy. How about those exercises? Can't keep your end up, can you? Keep that chin up. You're weak as a cat. Better take your tonic. Wow, what a tonic! You feel like a new woodpecker. Say, what's going on here? You need some fresh air. That tonic has given you terrific strength. Go out and test it. The tonic is wearing off. Your strength is gone. You need more tonic, boy.
Attention, everyone. Be on the lookout for this man. He is the Bat, a dangerous spy who has stolen a top-secret formula. The missing bottle bears this label.
Danger. 1 drop, 50,000 horsepower.
If you find this bottle, it is your duty to return it at once to your nearest BFI office.
To the BFI. Okay, son, you're doing fine. This is a spooky place for the BFI headquarters.
Can this be the right place? about to send out a couple of APBs on the bat when a kid came in. He claimed to have captured the bat. Had him in a trunk. He got the bat all right. The bottle, too. Clever kid. You want to tell us about it, son? Yeah, show us how you did it, son. Kid's been watching too many television programs. Yeah.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed our show. Join us again on our next program for a half hour of fun with your old pal, Woody Woodpecker.
See you on our next show. Bye now.